12 Hidden Snake Plant Care Hacks Every Plant Parent Should Know. Ever had a plant that just won't cooperate, no matter what you do? If your snake plant is giving you trouble, you're not alone. Many plant parents struggle with keeping their green friends happy and healthy. The good news: snake plants are one of the easiest houseplants to care for, once you know a few secret hacks. Imagine your snake plant thriving, its leaves standing tall and green, adding a touch of nature to your home. No more yellowing leaves or drooping stems, just a beautiful, low-maintenance plant that brightens up any room. We're sharing snake plant care hacks that will level up your plant parenting skills. Say goodbye to plant stress and hello to a lush, vibrant home. 1. Perfect light. Snake plants Sansevieria trifasciata are native to West Africa, where they grow under the shade of larger plants. Snake plants thrive best in bright, indirect light. However, they are pretty adaptable and can handle low light conditions, making them ideal for nearly any room in your home. Their ability to photosynthesize efficiently in low light is a survival adaptation to the dappled light of their natural habitat. Nevertheless, the best growth happens when they get plenty of filtered sunlight. Consider a bright room with sheer curtains or a spot near a north or east-facing window to place your plant. If you notice the leaves stretching or getting pale, it might be a sign that they need more light. On the flip side, direct sunlight can cause their leaves to burn, leading to unsightly brown patches. Finding that sweet spot of indirect light will keep your snake plant looking its best. 2. Watering tips. Overwatering is the most common mistake plant parents make with snake plants. These plants are succulents, which means they store water in their thick leaves and don't need frequent watering. The thick, fleshy leaves allow them to survive in arid conditions. This adaptation is a trait common to succulents, enabling them to endure periods of drought by conserving water. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Depending on your climate and the season, this could mean watering every 2 to 6 weeks. When you do water, make sure to drench the soil thoroughly, letting excess water drain out the bottom. Using a pot with drainage holes is crucial to prevent root rot. Remember, it's better to underwater than overwater. These plants can handle a bit of drought, but will struggle with soggy soil. 3. Temperature control. Snake plants are adapted to warm climates and can withstand high temperatures. They prefer a warm environment, ideally between 70–90 degrees Fahrenheit 21–32 degrees Celsius. However, they are sensitive to cold, which can damage their cell structure, leading to leaf discoloration and decay. They can tolerate a range of temperatures, but don't do well in cold drafts or sudden temperature changes. Avoid placing them near drafty windows, doors, or air conditioning vents. In the winter, make sure they're not exposed to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit 10 degrees Celsius for extended periods, as this can cause damage to the leaves. Keeping your snake plant in a stable, warm spot will ensure it stays healthy and vibrant. 4. Pot size matters. Choosing the right pot size is crucial for your snake plant's health. They like to be snug in their pots, so pick one that's only slightly larger than the root ball. A pot that's too large can retain excess water, increasing the risk of root rot. When repotting, go up just one pot size. For example, if your snake plant is currently in a 4-inch pot, move up to a 6-inch pot. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. This simple step can prevent overwatering. Snake plants prefer to be slightly root-bound, which mimics their natural growing conditions, where they often grow in rocky, confined spaces. This helps prevent overwatering and root rot. 5. Feed sparingly. During the growing season, plants require more nutrients to support new growth. Snake plants, being slow growers, need minimal fertilization. Snake plants don't need much fertilizer, but they do appreciate a little boost during the growing season. Use a balanced, all-purpose houseplant fertilizer monthly in the spring and summer. Dilute the fertilizer to half the recommended strength to avoid over-fertilizing, which can cause more harm than good. During the fall and winter, when the plant's growth slows down, you can skip the feeding altogether. This natural cycle of feeding and resting mimics their natural habitat and helps them stay healthy year-round. Over-fertilizing can lead to nutrient burn, where excess salts accumulate in the soil, damaging the roots. 6. Dusting off. Dust can accumulate on the leaves of your snake plant, blocking sunlight and hindering photosynthesis. Every few weeks, take a damp cloth and gently wipe down the leaves. This helps your plant breathe better and also gives you a chance to inspect for pests or any signs of trouble. For smaller plants, give them a quick shower in the sink or use a spray bottle to mist the leaves before wiping them down. Keeping the leaves clean will ensure your snake plant looks its best and stays healthy. Dust particles can clog the stomata pores on the leaves, reducing the plant's ability to exchange gases and perform photosynthesis efficiently. Regular cleaning ensures the plant can breathe and photosynthesize effectively. 7. Easy propagation. Propagating snake plants is a fun and easy way to expand your plant collection. There are two main methods: division and leaf cuttings. For division, gently remove the plant from its pot and separate the root ball into smaller sections, making sure each section has a few leaves and roots. Plant these divisions in new pots with fresh soil. For leaf cuttings, cut a healthy leaf near the base and let it dry for a day or two. Then, plant the cut end in soil and water sparingly until roots develop. In a few weeks, you'll see new growth, and soon enough, you'll have baby snake plants to enjoy or share with friends. Snake plants have rhizomes, which are horizontal underground stems that produce new shoots and roots. This characteristic makes them easy to propagate through division. Leaf cuttings also work because snake plants can regenerate from tissue cells at the cut site. 8. Pest prevention. While snake plants are generally resistant to pests, they can occasionally attract mealybugs and spider mites. These pests can cause damage to the leaves and stunt growth. To prevent infestations, regularly inspect your plant and keep it clean. If you notice pests, wet the leaves with a solution of water and mild dish soap or use a neem oil spray. These natural remedies are effective and safe for your plant. Consistent care and monitoring will keep your snake plant pest-free and thriving. Mealybugs and spider mites feed on plant sap, weakening the plant and potentially transmitting diseases. Using natural remedies like neem oil disrupts the life cycle of these pests without harming the plant. 9. Humidity. Snake plants are quite adaptable but prefer average home humidity levels. They don't need the high humidity that some tropical plants require, making them perfect for typical indoor environments. Avoid placing them in overly humid areas like bathrooms or kitchens, as too much moisture can lead to fungal issues. If your home tends to be very dry, especially in winter, consider placing a humidity tray nearby or using a humidifier. However, snake plants are generally forgiving and can thrive without extra humidity adjustments. Snake plants are native to arid regions and have evolved to tolerate low humidity. High humidity can create a favorable environment for fungal infections, so maintaining moderate humidity levels is ideal. 10. Soil selection. Using the right soil mix is essential for your snake plant's health. They prefer well-draining soil to prevent root rot. A cactus or succulent mix is ideal, as it provides excellent drainage. If you're using regular potting soil, add some sand or perlite to improve aeration and drainage. This ensures that the soil dries out quickly between waterings, mimicking the plant's natural environment. Proper soil selection can make a significant difference in keeping your snake plant healthy and happy. Well-draining soil prevents water from accumulating around the roots, which can cause root rot. The coarse texture of cactus or succulent mixes allows for better aeration and quicker drying of the soil. 11. Seasonal care. In winter, snake plants enter a dormant phase and require less water. Reduce watering frequency during these months, allowing the soil to dry out completely before watering again. Think of it as their rest period. They need less attention, but still appreciate some care. Avoid fertilizing in winter, as the plant's growth slows down. Keeping your snake plant on this natural cycle of growth and rest will ensure it stays healthy and vibrant year-round. During dormancy, snake plants' metabolic activity slowed down, reducing their water and nutrient requirements. This natural adaptation helps them survive in environments with seasonal changes in water availability. 12. Bonus hack: rotate for even growth. Snake plants tend to grow towards the light source, which can lead to uneven growth if one side receives more light than the other. To ensure your snake plant grows evenly, rotate the pot every couple of weeks. This simple practice helps all sides of the plant receive equal light exposure, promoting balanced growth and preventing the plant from leaning towards one direction. If only one side of your plant gets adequate light, that side will grow faster and healthier, while the other side might become sparse and weak. This can cause your snake plant to become lopsided or even topple over as it grows. Phototropism is the growth response of a plant towards a light source. Plants have cells called photoreceptors that detect light and signal the plant to grow towards it. By rotating your snake plant regularly, you ensure that all sides get sufficient light, promoting balanced growth and preventing the plant from leaning toward one direction. Your path to snake plant perfection. With these 12 hidden hacks up your sleeve, you're now equipped to become the ultimate snake plant whisperer. These tips will help you keep your snake plant thriving and looking fabulous. Remember, the key to happy plants is a mix of the right light, proper watering, and a touch of TLC. So go ahead, impress your friends with your newfound snake plant wisdom, and enjoy the lush, vibrant greenery that will brighten up your home. Happy planting, and may your snake plant always stand tall and proud. Thanks for your watching.